Hello everybody. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve it. Messenger has stopped. To not fix or how to solve Messenger has stopped. You should just go to settings. After that we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list we click on the window of Messenger. Here in this list of app and file we click on first stop and we click OK. Here we go to click storage, then we click clear cache, and in the end you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.